All right, moving on to advanced ultrasound. These are the veins we want. These are the veins we get. All right? So this is why ultrasound is key. Vein mapping is, I think, underutilized and underrespected from a lot of people who are using insertion. So let's talk about it. Catheter to vein ratio, very important. You have to realize what the catheter to vein ratio is to make sure we don't cause all that axial streaming disruption. Valve location, hemodilution, flow rate, you can skip that one. Catheter tip location, where is it going to end? If it doesn't end in a good spot, it's not going to work well. We can't draw blood, we can't flush, okay? So finding the needle tip is key. If you're going to walk away with anything, here is my number one, what I see is the most common problem that most nurses and physicians, whoever's using the ultrasound, this seems to be the most common problem. There we go. All right, do you guys see that beam? Good. If you don't see this beam, please let us know when you stroke out, okay? So, oh, beam, sorry, beam. I know, it's off topic. So, this is the probe, beam of energy. This is how the physics of the ultrasound works. It goes down, it goes up. The ultrasound is a sensor and a transmitter. It transmits energy and receives it. If it does not receive the energy, you're not going to see the image very well. Okay? So, how many people have they told you to hold it where it's going straight down? Anybody insert ultrasound, by the way? Okay? No? All right, well, if you ever get trained, this is it. Have you ever had difficulty finding the needle tip? 1,000%, right? So this is how you need to have the probe to be able to see the vein. What happens when we introduce that needle? Right. So then what do you do? Like this? Like slide it? You want me to show you a trick? So perpendicular with the needle or the object that you want to see is going to be key. Okay, I don't know how they're going to teach. Some people say don't ever fan the probe. Don't listen to them. I can confidently tell you that they're wrong. Okay, you want to fan the probe so that it is 90 degrees with the object that you're trying to identify. Okay, now what's going to happen to the image of the vein? You're going to start to lose a little bit of it. So you got to compromise. Okay, so let me show you how that looks like in real life.